Hello, welcome to CLC Cosmetics. My name is Amanda, and today I'm going to show you how to make an all-natural soap using rosemary. This is the first time I'm making soap, and I'm using some rosemary from my garden. For this recipe, I'll be using CLC Cosmetics Natural Aloe Vera Soap Base SLS Free. So I chose rosemary for this video because it's great for a lot of things like stress relief and circulation. I also use it in the kitchen a lot. It smells great, and so let's see how it turns out. Oh wow! Look at that leaf, it's like floating in the soap. Well, I think this is really cool. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And stay on for future videos. We'll be posting more each week. And if you like the idea of making your own soap, please click the link below where we have our products. All right, bye!